Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about one word substitution. If you want to know what is one word substitution and more details about it, you can click on the I button and you can go in the previous videos to know about more about it. So let's go to the today's first word, which is a person who speaks for a supports an idea for or supports an idea. So please choose the option what will you think that will be the answer. Then I will explain the all words meaning and I will let you know the answer. Okay. So today's first word is pioneer. What is the meaning of pioneer? A person who is among the first to explore or settle a new country or area means a explorer or discoverer. So, pioneer will not be the answer of a person who speaks for or supports an idea. Next word is advisor. Advisor means who gives ideas, who advise you do this or don't do this. But it is not the same as the person who speaks. Next, third word is advocate. Advocate means in law, in court we used to say advocate, a lawyer means who take your case and supports you. So advocate will be the right answer. A person who speaks for or supports an idea is called advocate. And what is ideologist meaning? Ideologist meaning is someone who supports a particular ideology. Ideology means some beliefs. Next, come to the second word, which is a man of an odd habits, means who has odd habits. So, first word is eccentric. Eccentric means uncommon, abnormal behavior. So, it will be the right answer. A man of an odd habits, it's called eccentric. Okay, let's discuss the remaining words meaning. Second word is sluggish. Sluggish means inactive, the person who is very inactive. And third word is introvert. Introvert means shy person, means a nervous or timid in company of other peoples. And moody, you all know, the person whose mood swings very rapidly. Third word, one whose attitude is eat, drink and be merry. What is the meaning of merry? Merry means cheerful and lively. Means who doesn't care about what is happening with the present world. So, right answer will be stoic. What is the meaning of stoic? Stoic means who can endure, means सह सकता है, who can endure pain or hardship without showing their feelings or complaining. If you want to know the remaining words meaning, you can let me know in the comment box. Next word is man whose wife has been unfaithful to him. Actually, in Dishu system or in polygamy societies, a woman who lives with a man but has lower status from his wife is called concubine. So, a man whose wife has been unfaithful to him, concubine will not be the answer. What is the meaning of dandy? Dandy means a man who is concerned with looking stylish and fashionable. Okay? And third word is cuckold. Cuckold. Fourth word is cuckold. So it is the right answer. Means a man whose wife has been unfaithful to him. Science of printing. So, do you know what is calligraphy? Calligraphy means decorative handwritings. What is the meaning of Typography. Can you say me what is the meaning of typography? Typography means study of land. Sorry, typography means science of printing. And topography means the study of about land. Means in geography, if we study about land, then it is told as typography. And what is cryptography? Cryptography means art of writing or solving codes. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want a quick repeat, I can do a repeat for you also. First word was a person who speaks for or supports an idea is called advocate. Second is a man of an odd habits is called eccentric. Third one was one whose attitude is eat, drink and marry. His answer is stoic. Then fourth one is man whose wife has been unfaithful to him is cuckold. Its pronunciation is cuckold. Okay. And last word is science of printing, which is typography. So that's all for today. Thank you.